आपल्या आता व्हिडिओची स्टाईल झाली आहे, दर व्हिडिओमध्ये पोह्यांनी सुरुवात होते. चॉकलेट बॉय इज हिअर. आपण ह्याला चॉकलेट बॉय म्हणायचं का?
तुला चहा घेऊ, तुला ऑमलेट बॉय म्हणायचं.
What's up guys? Today we are in Tamini Ghat and going to go, we don't know where yet, most probably the Andarban forest or Devkund Waterfalls, but we don't seem to reach there. आम्हाला चकवा लागलाय most probably because we are just stopping everywhere. We're stopping literally everywhere. So Rahul la खूप भूक लागली and we've just stopped at a waterfall where we may get bhaji and omelette. Let's see what happens. I hope you guys like this. We did get some drone shots. The drone got lost in the fog and माझी बरीच फाटली. There is lots of ways I could explain this, but माझी पूर्णपणे फाटलेली. And yeah, but we got the drone back. It was out in the rain. पाऊस पडायला लागला. I was really scared की पावसात काय होईल ड्रोनचं. It came back. It was all wet, but we got some footage. Alright, let's go. You guys might think कि that is probably the coolest shot I have ever seen, but that is where माझी पूर्ण फाटली. रिमोट कंट्रोल हातात, ड्रोन ढगात आणि सुरू झाला पाऊस. I had no idea where to go. There were trees just near us. Fortunately, Ashish stayed calm. He said कि tension हो गयो, तू return to home कर. And I did return to home. And it came above and stayed there for 100 meters. And then I took it down. It was a horrific experience. Proper kapalat. It was very scary. Watch the next one. We're back at Andarban forest. Now going to head to the Devkund Waterfalls. Let's hope we are able to cross the way. We have safety gear. We have Rahul himself, who is a legend in mountaineering and has done lots of courses. He is a regular trekker. We are ready for the Devkund Waterfall Trek. So boys, Ganpati Bappa, Mangal Murti. Just started the Devkund Waterfalls trek. It was good up till now for the first 50 meters, but आता चढ सुरू झालेला आहे. Seems that we are not even going to reach Devkund by tonight because we are stopping every 5 minutes. Every frame is beautiful. And bol.
The same line is there in my vlog as well, and it's a way better vlog, so please subscribe and
किती पण प्रयत्न केला तरी शेवटी पीव्हीची मला सोडणार नाहीये. हे पीव्हीची गँग. So I think to avoid the danger they've constructed this bridge. To those people who have built this bridge, thank you so much, gentlemen. King, there are these red ribbons everywhere. They've posted to mark this really dangerous route. I think we're almost there. Just done with the Devkund trip. It was epic. We tried everything. We stopped almost everywhere. Shot a lot of footage with multiple cameras and multiple people this time. After we were done with the trek, we got fantastic Maggie, cha, bhaji. Loved everything, but were too exhausted to even bring anything related to camera equipment up. And just after we were done, we're now leaving. The Wimaan is going to crash backstairs. And Rahul will do the clip when I'm sleeping. But it has been a fun journey. I hope you guys be very careful when you come to this place in the monsoons. Make sure you wear good shoes. Make sure you wear your... This has been our Devkund journey. I hope you guys had fun. Like, share, subscribe, comment, etc. This is the first time I'm going to say this, and I hope you guys do subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe, comment what you liked, and make sure you like the video. Special thanks to Townscript for supporting this video. Check them out. They have great event listings and trek listings on all of Pune's events. Do make sure you check out townscript.com.